Welcome to another Tableau tutorial video. I'm Weston Palmer. Let's get started. But first, a thank you to my Patreon supporters. I love the interaction and feedback. Today I'm going to show you how to create one of these little KPI boxes that changes colors from white to red. It's conditional formatting for a KPI box. This is a dashboard that I've already previously created. And let's go ahead and just create a new board. So first thing I'm going to do, I want the change to be on the sales or the state. And I'm going to show this as a filter just to walk you through what I'm doing here. I'm going to bring the sales over to the text because I want to show the sales. And then I've created a custom calculated field. If I can find it. Oh, here we go. KPI sales. This is a real simple formula. It's looking at you want to use an aggregate here because on the screen, that's what, and this could be sum of sales, or if you were doing something else, average, quantity, whatever. And this is going to be your threshold where it changes from red to white. Then 1, else 0, end, right? So we're going to bring this KPI over to the color. What you do now, come to the color, you're going to edit that. And this is already given you an automatic. And if you pull this down, you're going to see a whole variety of options. You should have seen this already. The one thing that is key here is this needs to be green. This needs to be a continuous item. If it's discrete, when you go to color, it's only going to give you the one option. And the key here, when you do this, what I want to be able to do is I want to be able to trigger, 0, it's white, 1, it's red, or the other way around. And I have not been able to find a white in all these colors here, or a transparent or something. So this is how I'm getting around that. This has to be continuous. Sometimes, depending on how you've done the calculated field, this will come across as discrete or continuous. This is continuous. Under colors, and then I go down here to the bottom, custom diverging. It'll give you two options. You want it to be red if it's below 30,000 and white if it's above 30,000. And then I go to stepped colors and I make this 2, so you only have 2 options. And then I go to advanced and you can see that this is 1. You want to change that to 0 or whatever your bottom number is. Maybe it's anything below whatever, 100 or whatever. And then I make the end equals 1. So now you can see that this is splitting in half. And that's okay because this value is only going to be 1 or 0. Click OK. That dollar goes away because here's the other key point. You have to change this to a square. I'm going to show the filter so we can just test this out here. All right. I hope you'll check out these other cool videos that I've selected for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below.